Hello everyone. We are in a matrix and determinant chapter. Okay. In the last session, we saw the addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication. Okay. Depending on, we take one more example for the addition. Okay. See, if the given a equal to 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, and b equal to 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. Okay, these are given matrices. What they ask, find the matrix C, find matrix C such that condition is given A plus 2C equal to B. Okay, what we have to find here? C matrix. So, by using algebra of matrices, we write A plus 2C equal to B. We have to find C, so 2C keep as it is. B, this is here plus, then B minus A. Okay, so find out B minus A. Simply find out B minus A. Okay, see, sorry, what is B here? 3, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3, minus A, 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. Okay, 2C equal to, I directly write here 3 minus 1, so it is 2. Okay, minus 1 minus 2, so it is minus 3. 2 minus minus 3, so minus become plus, so 2 plus 3 is 5. Close the matrix. Okay, now second row, 4 minus 5, so minus 5 here, so minus 1. 2 minus 0, so it is 2. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, 0 minus minus 1, so minus become plus, so it is 1. Okay, again last number 3 minus 1, so it is 2. This is my 2C matrix, and what we require here, C matrix. So simply C keep as it is. 2 is here multiplied, here it will be divide to whole matrix. Minus 3, 5, okay, minus 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. This is my required answer. Okay, this is the C matrix. You can multiply this 1 by 2 by each and every element of this matrix. Means, what is the C matrix? 2 by 2, it is 1. Next is minus 3 by 2, 5 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, it is 1. 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1. So this is the required answer. Now we are going to see the matrix multiplication. This is just a reminder for you that algebra of matrix is done. Okay, you solved many more examples from book. Okay, so many questions are given in the book depending on algebra of matrices. If they given A, B matrices, then find A minus B, check whether B minus A is equal or not. Okay, or not. Then check out this A plus B B minus C equal to A plus B minus C, whether they are equal or not. First find out this side, then find out this side, and check whether both matrices are equal or not. Okay, this is also on the algebra of matrices. Okay, A minus 0 equal to A sometimes they ask B plus D equal to A, implies that D equal to A minus B. Okay, whether they are same or not. Okay, there are so many questions from textbooks. Solve it. If any doubt, ask me. Okay, next is very important topic, that is multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. See carefully because this is very important topic. It is simple but little bit complicated. Carefully see it. See, if two matrices are given, suppose matrix A and matrix B. If you want to take the product of these two matrices, means what? Product is AB. Okay, product means multiplication. I want to take multiplication of these two matrices. If multiplication is possible or not, we have to check whether it is possible or not. If the order of this matrix is, suppose, 2 by 2, and here order of matrix is 2 by 3. Okay, see, in the first session I already told you this is row, this is column, this is row, this is column. Okay, for the multiplication there is one important condition. What is that? Number of columns of first matrix is equals to number of rows of second matrix. Then only we can take the product of these two matrices. Okay, again I told you, see, the order of this matrix is 2 by 2, order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Here number of columns of first matrix is equals to number of rows of second matrix. Are they equal? Yes. Here 2, here also 2. So columns and rows, they are equal. Then only we can take the product of A and B. And what is the order of resultant matrix? Order of resultant matrix is this 2 by 3. Getting or not? Okay, I will explain by example. First I will write the condition. The product of two matrices A and B is possible if the number of columns of A matrix is equal to the number of rows of B matrix. Then only we can say the product is possible. Okay, that is what? Suppose A matrix is 3 by 2 and B matrix is 2 by 1. Okay, see here, this is my row, this is my column, this is my row, this is my column. What is the condition here? Number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. So number of columns of A is equals to number of rows of B. Then only the product is possible. Okay, then product AB is possible. And what is the order of resultant matrix? Is this 3 by 1. Take a screenshot. I'll take one example here, simple example. Product of two matrices. Suppose A is 1, 2, 0, 3. Okay. B matrix is suppose 0, 1, 3, 2. 4. Whatever it may be. What is the order of A? Order of A is 2 by 2. Order of B is 2 by 2. Okay. Here R, here C, here R, here C. What is our condition for the multiplication of two matrices? Our condition is number of columns of first matrix is equals to number of rows of second matrix. Okay. Yes, they are equal. Okay, then only we take the product. How to take the product? See carefully. AB. This is my row. This is my column. Okay. Take a product of first element to first element. 1 into 0. It is 0. Write down plus. Then go 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Clear? Shift next column. Keep row as it is. 1 into 1, it is 1 plus 2 into 4, it is 8. Okay. Is there any column? No. Close the matrix. Okay. Shift the row. See. Again. This row, first column. 0 into 0, 0. Plus 3 into 3, it is 9. Shift the column. 1 into 0, 0. Plus 3 into 4, it is 12. Okay. Now, A, B. 0 plus 6 is 6. 9, 9, here 12. So, order of resultant matrix is 2 by 2. Okay, understood? Another example. See, A equal to 1 minus 2, 3, 4, 2, 5. B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Okay. See, what we have to do here? Product, multiplication. What is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Okay. 2 rows, 3 columns. Again, here 1, 2, 3. 3 by 2 are C. So our condition is satisfied here. Number of columns of first matrix is equals to number of rows of second matrix. Now we take the product. How to take the product? See, first row, first column. 1 into 2, it is 2. Plus 2 into 4, minus 8. 3 into 2, 6. Okay. Shift the column. 3 into 1, 3. Plus 5 into minus 2. So it is minus 10. Plus 3 into 1, 3. There is a no column here. Close the matrix. Okay. Again, shift the row of first matrix. 4 minus 4 into 2 minus 8 plus 2 into 4 8 plus 5 into 2 10. Okay. Shift the column. Minus 4 into 3 minus 12 plus 5 into 2 10. 5 into 1 5. Okay. Clear? Now take the addition. Addition is C. 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Minus 6 and plus 6. It becomes 0. So I write here 0. Okay. Here 3 minus 10. So it is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 3. So it is minus 4. Okay. Minus 8 plus 8 get cancelled. So it is minus 10. Minus 12 plus 10. Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5. So it is 3. Okay. Order of resultant matrix is 2 by 2. See here. 2 by 2. Clear? Okay. take a screenshot. There are some properties of matrix multiplication. Properties. What are that? First, multiplication. I write here shortcut. Multiplication of matrices is not always commutative. All of you know the meaning of commutative. In addition, we already studied this commutative law. So in the matrix multiplication, it is not necessary that commutative law always exist or not exist. Okay, see how it is. Suppose AB is possible. Okay, matrix multiplication of AB is possible. It is not necessary that BA also possible. Okay, and they may be or may not be equal. Generally, they are not equal. Exceptional case, they are equal. Okay. See, if I take A matrix of order here 2 by 3 and B matrix of order 3 by 2, 3 by 1. Okay. See, product is possible, means AB is possible here, AB is possible here. Okay. Because number of rows or columns of first matrix is equals to number of rows of second matrix. So AB is possible. What about BA? See, B matrix. B matrix is 3 by 1. A matrix. A matrix is 2 by 3. See, number of columns of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix are not same. So BA is not possible. So BA is not possible. Clear? That's why the multiplication of matrices is not always commutative. Okay? But sometime in exceptional cases they are equal. Okay? Second property is multiplication of matrices, if comfortable, then it is associative. See, we already studied this associative law in the addition. What is associative law for the multiplication? It is A, B into C equal to A, B into C. They are equal. Okay. In the addition, we already see this A plus B plus C over here A plus B. We can write like this. This is the associative law for addition and this is the associative law for multiplication. You take any matrix A, any matrix B, any matrix C and prove the property. You can easily prove this property. Take a product of this two, then product of this two. On other hand, product of this two, called it as 1, then product of this and this. We will take one more example for the multiplication. Okay. See, if this is 4, 4, 6, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3. This is A matrix. B matrix. If I take here 4, 4, 6, 5, 5, 4, 7, 3, 0. Okay. See, order of this matrix is 3 by 3. Order of this matrix is 3 by 3. Product is possible. Okay, because columns and rows are same. So I take here AB. How it will? First row, first column. See, 4 into 4, it is 16. plus 4 into 5, it is 20, plus 6 into 7, 42 here. Okay. Again, shift the column. 4 into 4, it is 16, plus 4 into 5, it is 20, 16 into 3, it is 18. Shift the column. This keep as it is. 4 into 6, 24, plus 4 into 4, 16, 6 into 0 is 0. There is no column. Close the matrix. Now shift the row. Clear? 3 into 4, it is 12, plus 5 into 5, it is 25, plus 7 into 4, 28. Shift the column. 4 into 3, 12, plus 5 into 5, 25, plus 4 into 3, it is 12. Shift the column. 6 into 3, it is 18, plus 5 into 4, it is 20, plus 4 into 0, it is 0. Shift the row. 2 into 4, it is 8, plus 5 into 3, it is 15, 7 into 3, 21. Shift the column. 8 plus 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Shift the column. 6 2s are 12, plus 4 3s are 12, plus 3 0 0. Take addition of this matrix and you will get the AB matrix, okay, of order 3 by 3. This is my required answer. So do practice. There is no solution. You want to do practice. This is the only one solution for the matrix multiplication. Okay, understood? Take a screenshot. See one more example. What they given? They given A matrix and we have to prove that A square minus 4A minus 5I equal to 0. Okay. See how to find A square. A square. Sometimes student do like this. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. This is 4, 4, 1, 4, 4, 4, 1. This is the wrong method. Okay. Because see, because what is A square? A square is A into A. So take a product of A into A. We already studied how to do the product. So take product of these two matrices. Again write down A matrix. Okay. So this row into column. Okay. 1 into 1. 1 plus 4 plus 4. Clear? Okay. Here 2 plus 2 plus 4. Okay. Now first row, third column. 2 plus 4 plus 2. Close the matrix. Again, second row, first column. Here 2 plus 2 plus 4. Clear? Again, second column. Second column is 4 plus 1 plus 4. Third column. Third column is 4 plus 2 plus 2. Third row, first column. 2 plus 4 plus 2. 2 plus 4 plus 2. Again, second. 4 plus 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2 plus 2. Sorry. Again, last. 4 plus 4 plus 1. 4 plus 4 plus 1. So this is my A square. What is it? 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8. 8, 8, 9. This is my A square. Clear? If you want to find A cube, write it down A square into A. First find A square, then multiply it by A. Okay? Okay, now we have A square matrix. A square matrix is what? Is 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. Minus 4 into A. It is a scalar multiplication. Now 5 into I. I is the identity matrix. Given matrix is 3 by 3. So take a matrix is 3 by 3. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now the skip as it is 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. Product of this scalar multiplication. 4 into 1, 4. Here 8, 8. Here 4, 4. Sorry, here 8, 4, 8. Here 4, 8, 8, 4. Now, here also scalar multiplication 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. This is not plus, this is a minus, this is also minus. Okay, take a subtraction. See, what is it? 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, understood? Again, 8 minus 8 is 0, minus 0. So it is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0, 0. Clear? 8 minus 8 is 0, here 0, 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Similarly, all are 0. You check out. So, this is equal to 0. Hence, proof. Clear? Take a screenshot. Sometime ask in exam this type of questions. Next topic is determinant of matrices. Determinant. This. How to find the determinant? See, if I take here A, B, C, D, this is my determinant. Determinant, write in a vertical lines, matrix in a rectangular bracket. Okay, or denoted by capital letter. Okay, but it is in a this is determinant. This is the shortcut for determinant. Okay, and this is the matrix. Okay, determinant always in a 2 by 2 or in a 3 by 3 order. Clear? This is the determinant of order 2 by 2. So find how to find the value of this determinant. See, take a product of this. Start from here. AD minus BC. This is the determinant 2 by 2. Okay. Determinant A. We write it as a determinant A. Okay. If they given A matrix 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. I write determinant A like this. A equal to 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Same elements. Symbol is changed. This is determinant. This is the matrix. Find the value of this matrix. How to find this product of these two? Start from here. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 into 3, it is 3. So it is 1. Value of this matrix is 1. Clear? This is about 2 by 2. Clear? Again I'll take one example. Suppose B matrix. B matrix is minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, and here minus 1. Okay. Determinant B is, elements are same, only symbol is changed. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 1. Clear? Start from here. Take a product of cross multiplication. This two. Determinant B equal to minus 1 minus 2. It is a plus 2. Minus 3 minus 1. It is plus 3. Okay, so determinant of B equal to 1. Okay, see, if I change this, so it become minus, sorry, if I change this, minus 3. Okay, so value is minus 3, minus 3, minus minus become plus, so it is 5. Okay, again I see, again I told you minus 1 into minus 2, so it is 2 plus 2. Okay, minus 3 into minus 1, so it is minus 3. This minus minus become plus, so 2 plus 3 is 5. Getting or not? Take a screenshot. In the next session, we will see the determinant of order 3 by 3. Okay, thank you.